in 4 days now, they are going to be claiming, anybody that actually claim with this particular address, 100% claim a share of $50,000 right here of dog, and they are going to be sharing. So how do you benefit from this? It is by you getting the account and connecting your Gate.io to your dog right here. So you can see dog has officially opened the deposit of dog right here. So do not miss this particular opportunity, and it's going to be happening very soon. So I'm going to be giving you step by step how you can actually go ahead to register your dog and also to verify your account right here. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is the link at the description of this particular video for you to join. So I'm going to send the link to dog.io that you can click, so it can be faster for you to actually join right there. So you can see from this side you're going to see dog deposit epic bonus, newcomer deposit to win double cashback in dogs right here. So you register right here. So for existing member that are already into existing, just deposit now and you're going to be getting it right now. So let's go into the video without wasting much of our time. Alright, so when you open it in this dimension, this is how it's going to look. Then you're going to see sign up and get this bonus right here. So you need to do is to click on sign up or login right. So for me, I'm going to be signing up for free. Then I'm going to click on this side which says sign up for free. So I'm going to send a link for this at the description of this particular video, so you can go ahead to register. So you can actually change if you want to use a Google to register or Telegram, or you want to input your correction right. Once you are done, then you click on this angle to verify this. So you just put it at this center just like this, then you leave it. So what you're going to be doing right, so after you come to this side, you're going to see we have complete verification to claim 20 points right here. So you're going to be getting 20 points after you complete your verification right. So all you need to do is to confirm your nationalism and confirm your country of residence. Then you input your name right here. So once you input your name, you input your last name, then you input your ID type. So if you click on this, you're going to see the ID type that are recommended. We have the national ID, we have the passport, and also the driving license right here. So you can see, and the last one is actually the number of your ID. So now I just input all the details right there. So next thing you do is to click on next. So next you are going to be uploading the front and back of the ID you actually dropped, and note you are going to be getting to the picture should not be larger than 10 KB or smaller than 4M right here, and it must be the original certificate of this. So let's get this done also. So it's going to be in two ways. So it's that you take the picture of the ID already and you upload, or you just take the picture right now. So after inputting the two, which is the front and back, then you need to click on next. So on the next, it's going to load, and we are going to be waiting for us to get verified if it's going to be submitted or not. Alright, so right now the next thing I'm going to be doing is my face. So you make sure you look for a good background. Alright, so it is verifying already. Application verifying actually. So it's going to be taking about 2 minutes for this to be generated. So we have to like wait a little for the 2 minutes. We are going to be getting a mail. And so after 2 minutes, I went to my profile. You're going to see a profile up right here. So you just go ahead to click on it. There you can see I've been verified. My identity has been verified right here. So the next thing to do right for my KYC is for me to verify my address. So I'm going to click on this, which is the address. Then I'm going to input my address right now. So you can see it is currently verifying after I input that. So let's go to how we can actually put our Gate.io into our dog wallet right here. So let's go ahead. So you can see with a few steps we are currently verified. Then we go back to this. Alright, so you can see we are going to be receiving deposit 20 USDT to receive 18 USDT for feature voucher. So you can do all those that right here. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to come to asset right now. So you come to this side, which is the asset. Then you click on asset. So we are going to be clicking on the crypto you want to use to deposit. Then click on deposit on chain right here. So you click on the coin you want to deposit. So I'm going to be using dog DUXD. So this is our dog wallet address, right? You click on dog. So once you click on dog, you are going to be seeing this contract address for dog is going to be showing right here. Then you can see we have the open network, so you click on it. That's the only one you can actually select. So it's currently loading and it's taking about few minutes for it to load there, because we need to wait for it to generate our coin for us, right? So you have to just have a patience and just wait for it to currently load. So once it's load, we can actually use it for our dog registration right now. So I'm going to allow it to load a little while. So we have about a minute more for it to load. And loading. All right, so you can see we confirmed this, so we got it. So we are going to be confirming, we are going to be copying this particular one, which is the address and also the memo right here. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do it on your other wallets, right? So once you get back to your Telegram, you are going to see the exchange. So once you click on it, you are going to click on exchange, right? Then you click on continue. So right at the down part, you are going to see gate.io, right? So you click on gate.io, you click on it, then you click on send here. So in you have an account, you click on yes. So the first thing you're going to be needing, right, is the gate.io user ID. Then you're going to go back to our wallet, right? So this is our wallet. Then we come back here to check our ID. Or before we do that, because we've showed this already, so let's just pick this. So let's copy this one, which is the address. Then I'm going to come back right here and click on this second one, which says the address. Then you paste it, right? So once you paste it, you come back to the next one that said the memo. You are going to see this one, right? You click on it, then you click it right here also, you put it here. So once you put it here, then the next one is going to be your gate UID. So to get to UID, you come right here, you scroll up, then you are going to come back to home. So on the home, you are going to see this side. So on this side, you are going to see it right here. So this is your UID, right? So you are going to copy your UID. So you click on copy, then you come back here to input it. All right, so click on paste, then you paste your UID, right? So that's basically how to get that done. And when you are done, you click on next right here. So if you find this particular video useful for you, do well to give this video a thumb like and also subscribe to the channel.